Hey guys, this is Three-Wheeler Guy. Today I'm going to be doing a bike check after I got those few parts. On my bike, it's a 2012 Fit Atkin, like before. Same Fit FFA tires with the stock wide rims, Shattuck expressly welded handlebars, ODR long leg grips, Fit stem, and stock fork bolt. And then I got FSA headset spacer. And then I got some new bearings because my other ones broke. So those are new in there. I got my new seat on there. My Crow seat on there with the white stolen thermalite seat post. And then the same back as the front. Stock white pedals, stock crank arms. The KMC chain in white, and yeah, that's pretty much my bike. I've got ODI bar ends I haven't put on yet though, but I'll do that at some point. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Thanks for, please subscribe, like, thanks.